The farm-to-table movement has captured everybody's imagination. The idea that a chef might take the time and the effort to go to a farm and gather up the perfect ingredients to craft your dinner is pretty attractive. So if you were to ask me why take a course on vegetable cookery, I'd say that's almost too easy to answer. Vegetables taste great, vegetables look great, they're colorful, they're healthy, and from an environmental standpoint, they're really easy on the environment. Well, this is a course not just for vegans and vegetarians, but for anybody that likes to eat vegetables, anybody that likes to eat. I'm going to include a little bit of meat every now and then, maybe some cheese or an egg. I'm going to show you all the cooking techniques that you can bring to bear on vegetables as well as any other foodstuff. And then finally, all day parts will be represented in the recipes I share. So breakfast, lunch, desserts to appetizers, entrees to salads to soups, and even side dishes with vegetables. What a concept.
The Everyday Gourmet, cooking with vegetables.